Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your WhatsApp not showing contact names, but only their numbers. Now, just a disclaimer, I do not currently have this problem, but I can show you what to do if you do. And the usual fix for this is almost always the same. It's to do with permissions. So what you want to do is find your WhatsApp application. And once you do find it, you want to long press on that and then click on this little I for information, I think, icon. And that'll bring you to this screen and you want to click on permissions. Now click on contacts. And here in contacts permissions, you want to make sure that it's ticked for allow. Now, when you go back onto WhatsApp, it usually fixes it itself after a while. But if it doesn't, you can click on the chat screen and then on the three dots on the top right and say refresh. And that should fix your problem. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider subscribing and liking the video, and I'll see you in the next one.